Assalamu alaikum. Please grade 3 open your student book 3 unit number 3 page number 16. Now this unit is about a traditional tale. A traditional tale is a spider stories. Let's start reading. Once Tiger was king of the forest. Even the stories the animals told each other were called the tiger stories. Spider wanted to have these stories for himself. I have a favor to ask you, Mr. Tiger, he said. Many things are named after you, but nothing is named after me. Please let everyone call the story Spider Stories. Tiger decided to play a trick on Spider. If you bring me Mr. Snake alive, I will give you the stories, he promised. All the other animals laughed loudly. How could a little spider bring back a snake alive? Good morning, Mr. Snake, he said. Everyone says you are as long as the branch of a tree, but I don't believe them. Why not? Said Snake, and he crawled slowly out of his hole. I am longer than a bamboo tree. Spider cut a long branch of the tree, stretched out beside the room branch. He said, Snake, lay down beside the branch. Mr. Snake, said Spider, how will I know that you are longer than the branch? When I go up to look at your head, you will crawl up. When I go down to look at your tail, you will crawl down. Tie my tail to the branch, then, said Mr. Snake. Spider tied Snake's tail to the branch. Close your eyes and stretch out your head, he said. Snake closed his eyes and stretched out as far as he could. Quickly the spider tied the snake's head to the branch. There Snake was ready to be carried to Tiger. Tiger kept his promise, and from that day on the stories were called the Spider Stories. Now, what are we told in this story? This is a story of a spider and a tiger. Tiger was the king of the jungle, and there were many stories about him, right? All the animals used to talk about Tiger, about his stories, about his bravery. The spider wanted some stories about himself. He wanted all the animals to talk about him. So one day he requested the tiger to be called the spider stories. The tiger played a trick. He wanted to play a trick. He challenged the spider to bring the snake alive, and the spider took that challenge. Now, how did the spider bring the snake to the tiger? He was very clever. He went to the snake. He asked him that, how long are you? I have heard many things about you. The snake was very innocent. He came out. He said that you can check that how long I am. I'm long as a bamboo tree. So he said that, how will I know? You will crawl up and down when I come to see. So he said, you can tie me up with a branch, and after tying me with that branch I would not be able to move, and then you can see how long I am. In this way the spider tied the tail of the snake with the bamboo stick, and then he told the snake to close his eyes and stretch. When the snake closed his eyes, he tied his head with the bamboo stick as well, and in this way he brought the snake to the tiger. The tiger was a good animal. He kept his promise, and from that day everyone started to talk about spider stories. Now these are some meanings of difficult words. Here are the question answers. Who told each other the tiger stories? The animals told each other the tiger stories. Question 2 is, what did tiger ask spider to bring him? Tiger asked spider to bring Mr. Snake alive to him. In this way you have to answer rest of the questions from the lesson. Let's come to language. Simple past. Find the past tenses of the verbs in the story. You have to find simple past tenses. For example, tell would be told, say would be said. So you have to find different past tenses from the story. Choose one of these past tenses verbs and use them in your own sentences. Asking and answering question. Now you have to choose, like you will find different past tenses from the stories, right? After finding those tenses, you will use these verbs in your own sentences. You will make different sentences from those past tenses you have found. Now let's come to asking and answering questions. Did spider bring a fish to tiger? This is a question. And the answer is no, he did not bring a fish, he brought a snake to the tiger. Now one of them is a question and one of them is an answer. Choose the correct verb to complete these sentences. For example, did tiger give or gave the stories to spider? Now this is a question, but over here we have to find the correct tense. Did tiger give the stories to the spider? Right? We cannot write gave. Gave would be in the answer. Now we are asking a question, so in the question we would use give. Now adverbs. An adverb tells us how an action is done. All the animals laughed loudly. Loudly is an adverb, right? Laugh is a verb. They are telling how an action is being done. So we will write all of the animals laughed loudly. Find 3 more adverbs in the story. Use each of them in your own sentence. You have to find 3 more adverbs and use them in your own sentences. We can add ly to as many adjectives to make adverbs. We can always add ly to make many adjectives, but where y comes we have to change y to I, and where l comes we have to double the l. For example, happy, remove y and happily. Then careful, remove l. No, you don't have to remove l, you have to double the l and write y carefully. Change these adjectives to adverbs. For example, quite, we would add ly, this would be turned into quietly. Complete the sentence with a suitable adverb. A snake moves very quietly. You have to write a suitable adverb and complete the sentences. Word study. Adjectives and adverbs. Read the sentences, find the adjectives and the adverbs and write them in the table. Now, the shiny snake moved silently across the sand. From this sentence, we have to find an adjective. Adjective is shiny and adverb is silently. You have to see the words with ending with ly, that would be an adverb, and you have to write these in the table below. Your today's homework is do question 1 to 7, page 17 on notebook. Do language part, page 18, question 1 and 3 on book and question 2 on notebook. Do adverbs, page 19, question 1 and 2 on notebook and question 3 and 4 on book. Do page 20 word study on notebooks. That's all for today. Thank you.